Today we're making chicken saltimbocca, which translates to chicken that jumps in the mouth, and it's so good you'll know why the second you taste it. For this recipe you'll need some chicken breasts, prosciutto, fresh sage, garlic, butter, lemon to finish, red pepper chili flakes, pepper, salt, flour, chicken stock, olive oil, white wine, and some toothpicks. Now let's get right into the recipe. Take your chicken breast and butterfly them in half. This makes them thinner and makes it easier to cook evenly without creating a raw center. Do your best to make both sides equal in height. Next, take half the chicken breast and lay it flat, and spread your sage across the chicken evenly. Layer a slice of prosciutto on top and place plastic wrap over the top of that to ensure that the prosciutto does not stick to your mallet. Using the flat side of the mallet, pound the prosciutto and chicken to a nice even level. Using toothpicks, secure your prosciutto to the sage and the chicken. This ensures that it does not fall apart during the cooking process. Add your salt and pepper, and be sure to flip your chicken and season both sides. Repeat this process for the remainder of your fillets. Now, dredge each of your breasts in flour. Ensure they are completely coated, as this will help to create a nice crust and also help in creating the fond for a pan sauce later. In a large pan or brazier, set the heat to medium-high and add your butter and olive oil. Place your chicken down and ensure that they don't touch. This gives them space to cook separately. Cook the first side for 2 to 3 minutes, flip, and cook the other side for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This chicken won't be completely cooked through, as we'll be finishing it in our sauce. Once all your fillets have been cooked, deglaze the bottom of the pan with some white wine, and using a wooden spatula, scrape off the brown bits from the bottom of your pan. Add in a little extra bit of butter and some of the aromatics. Once the wine has been reduced by half, add in your chicken stock, and I will be adding some red pepper chili flakes just for a little bit of kick, which is completely optional. Simmer until the sauce has been reduced by half, and add your chicken back into the pan. Allow it to finish by cooking for roughly an additional 3 minutes. This dish can be served standalone or with some pasta. I even used it the next day to create a lovely sandwich. This is Chicken Saltimbocca, and I thank you for watching. Until the next time.